Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Thinkadoo TV.
I'm Kailey. I'm Leah.
And I'm Micah. Today, we're learning all the letters of the alphabet.
And their sounds. Let's get started.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Great job! Now it's time to learn the sounds of each letter. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for goat. Goat. H is for hat. Hat. I is for eyes. Eyes.
J is for juice. Juice. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lion. Lion. M is for moon. Moon. N is for nail. Nail. O is for owl. Owl. P is for pig. Pig. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sock. Sock. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Wow! You did an amazing job!
Now you can say your letters and the sounds they make.
Ask mommy or daddy to play this video again so you can keep learning.
Thanks for watching Thinkadoo TV.
Don't forget to like,
Share
and subscribe
for more fun and learning.
Bye bye, friends. See you next time.